Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
I went to town to get some things, and I would normally take my tracts with me or my books. As I was going, I said to the Lord, what do you want me to tell the people? Because I would normally go into one of the food courts where a lot of people are sitting and eating, and give them out. And he said, tell them that a famine is coming, a famine for the word, so they are to take it now and read it. So I went in and I started to give out my tracts and my books, and I said, a famine is coming, can you take one please and read? And there was this lady who said, I have one at home already. So she did take it, but she gave it to, I said to her, give it to somebody. And she gave it away. So when I finished giving out and was leaving, she ran behind me. She ran me down and she said, Miss, you know, I can't find that book. I just remember I cannot find that book. And I said, it is finished. I didn't have any more. And so when the Lord said a famine is coming, it is coming for real. This is a prime example of what is coming. She had it, she thought she had it. When she think about it and wanted it, it was finished. That is what is going to happen in the end time. So make sure you store up the word so that you will have it for reserve in the end time.